We cutting it like this, just the tip. Let's
Okay,
go.
so right there then. You ready?
The tip, let's go.
God, this is giving me a lot of headache.
I'm not. The tip.
Cause it's nerve-wracking cutting down these nails. Oh, here we go. There you go.
Yep, let's go. But then you gotta make it narrow.
I got you.
Okay.
Boy, you about to cut down. The first cut down of your life right here. It is, bro. Tomorrow's gonna be like earthquake. 3.5 magnitude.
She's talking about why they're short. I'm getting ready to cut them down because once the baby comes,
Kia?
I need to not. I cut them down and they grew back. No, that was with denim. But I did all y'all like that.
But look how clean they look after you cut them down, though.
I cut all my nails down.
Look at that. See, when I go somewhere, I dress on black culture to me. You see how my swag is? Everywhere I go, girl.
But I like that hat you got on.
Hell yeah.
I like that hat.
Man, I love wearing hats.
I just found all my hats, so you know.
I used to be in the hood too much, so we gotta wear a hat because we on the street, you know what I mean?
I'm sorry, sweetheart. What is your race?
My race? I'm black and East.
How long is that flight over there?
16 hours, 18 hours, you know? You lose a whole day.
Yeah,
That's why when you plan this trip, 1 week is not enough.
I know.
Because you just traveling yourself like 2 days and jet lag, oh man. You know, when I go to these places, I treat people very nice with respect, and they always treat me back really good. But the hard part about going to these places, you gotta take your wife.
So good.
Cause you can't go by yourself. All them hoes, there's a lot out there, girl. There's a lot. I'm not kidding, they thirsty.
A 10-year-old.
I know, it's all right.
No, I just don't want him to do that because she little.
Yeah, and you know, one little mistake,
Yep.
that's how. Whoa, that is beautiful, man. This is like our fourth fill after our second set. But man, what she did today, outside her comfort zone, she got red. She never get red. She used to get matte. We went gloss. And we cut him down today, y'all. Beautiful. God, I love it.